Okay, so today we are going to set up your computer so that we have an efficient and personalized workflow. You are more than welcome to add anything else, but just make sure that you at least have everything that I put on here. Now, my account is a teacher account, so some of the stuff that happens might not happen as smoothly on your student account. Just remember, don't give up, keep working at what we want to end up with. There are a few different ways. I will give you some instructions in class to help clarify. Just know that there's a lot of different ways to make things happen. So let's go ahead and get started. We want to come over here to this little circle. That's your launcher. You're going to look for apps right here. Let's start with Drive. Mine is right here. If yours isn't, you can click or type it in right here. If it is right here, you are going to two-finger tap and pin it to shelf. Sometimes I accidentally just click on it and open it. If that happens, just close it out and come back here. But here, I did it right this time, so I'm going to pin it. After that, I'm going to go to Classroom. So I'm just going to type in Classroom, and it might start popping up automatically, or you might have to keep typing. Now, this is one that was kind of giving some people problems. So if it doesn't automatically pop up here, what you might have to do is type in Google Classroom. Something that I sometimes accidentally do is hit enter, and then it brings up a Google search page. You don't want to do that. Make sure you don't hit enter. Now, if it hadn't automatically popped up for me, over here in the side, it might have a blue button that says Add to Chrome. That's probably what you guys are going to see. Mine isn't showing up because mine actually worked the first time. So I'm going to go back here. This is the button that you might see, Add to Chrome. But I'm going to go right here, two-finger tap, pin to shelf. Okay, next I want calendar. Here's my calendar. And Google Keep. This is another one that is going to be kind of funny for you. Here, I have it down here. It may or may not show up for you. It might do the add to Chrome over here. What will probably happen is it will say add to Chrome, and you will see it installing right down here. Once it installs, it will still not show up here. What you will have to do is go to Google Chrome and type in Google Keep, and that will bring up the actual program after results. There's your results, and then here is Google Keep. To get it to your shelf, you're going to have to go the long way. So we go right over here to our three dots, more tools, and then add to shelf. So it'll do the same thing, it just takes a little bit longer. Yours will work that way. Oh, there it goes, add to shelf. Here's add right up there. So that's the longer way to make that work. You'll have to do that for Google Keep, and there's a program called Seesaw. You'll have to do that for that as well. So there's that. Now we're going to go back and do Files, Pin to Shelf, Seesaw. This is the one that you will have to do the same thing as Google Keep. So you might install it here, or you might just have to go straight to the web and do the three dots. There's that. And then I think I want Google Play for music. So I'm just going to do Play. There's Play Music. Okay, so I have a whole bunch of apps here so that I can get to those really fast. I'm going to go back to my Chrome, and the next thing that I want is to go to Classroom, and I'll choose my hour, whatever hour you are in. And yours will look a little different. But you'll go to your link. Right here, it will say Remind. So we'll go to Remind. And we'll sign up for Remind. This is the program where you will get class notifications. You will have a class code, and that will be posted on this. So here, 2A, this is your class code. So you will use this for your class code. So you'll come here. Once our network works, you will sign in. You should be able to sign in using your Google account. And you will choose whether or not to use your cell phone, or you can sign up with your email. Just follow the prompts on screen, but you'll just say that you're a student, and then you will follow the setup instructions. So that is it for our computer setup. You will be done for now.